we're going to do UPSAHL. Song is called Douchebag. This is a viewer request, so thank you for that request. Starts on G, goes to C. And by the way, I watched a video of her performing this on a looper, so I'll link to that in the description. So G, here's how, I'm going to show you one. Basically, I'm going to take everything she did and I'm going to, make it for one guitar. All right, so we got a G power chord, C power chord at the 8th fret. G is at the 3rd fret. So G to C, and then we go to C sharp. But when we go to C sharp, we're not going to play it as a power chord. And I'll put a graphic up, so I'm not going to explain it too in depth. Look at the graphic. We're going to play it as a 3rd. Okay, and that just basically like the top hat, like a G or a C chord, how your top 2 fingers are. That's how we're going to play it. So we're at the C. Then we do 8 on the A string and 9 on the low E. And then we're going to go back to power chords. And that's how it ends. So. That's the main riff. You do that like 4 times. And then when they're the turnaround at the end of the verses. And then it starts over. So it goes G at the 3rd, goes a C flat at the 7. And then we go C at the 8, and then she does this little and that's the way it restarts. So it's G at the 3rd, C flat at the 7, C at the 8, and then we go to A and D strings, your strings 5 and 4, and we go. That's how it starts over. So all together, the turnaround at the end of the verses. And then it starts over. All right, there's only, I think, one other part of the song. A, C. You can play this with power chords. A at the 5. C flat at the 7. To C at the 8. Okay, hopefully that helps you. Thanks for that request. Have a great day. Bye.